यहाँ मैले आफ्नोबाट हेर्दा मेरो आफ्नोबाट मिल्दैन यहाँबाट हुन्छ त आफ्नोबाट हेर्दा त राम्रो टियु क्रिकेट ग्राउन्डमा आउँछ आज
ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट जडानको लागि ६३औं दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी जानकारीहरू दिनेछौँ। च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला, भिडियो मनपर्छ भने लाइक गर्नुहोला। अहिले तपाईँ देखिरहनु भएको छ टियु इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको ताजा दृश्य। ६३औं दिनमा ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट जडानको लागि ६३औं दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी जानकारीहरू दिनेछौँ। च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला, भिडियो मनपर्छ भने लाइक गर्नुहोला। अहिले तपाईँ देखिरहनु भएको छ टियु इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको ताजा दृश्य। ६३औं दिनमा ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट जडानको लागि ६३औं दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी जानकारीहरू दिनेछौँ। च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला,
कपिराइट लाग्छ
लाइक गर्नुहोला। अहिले तपाईँ देखिरहनु भएको छ टियु इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको ताजा दृश्य। ६३औं दिनमा ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट जडानको दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी जानकारीहरू दिनेछौँ। च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला,
कपिराइट लाग्छ
अहिले तपाईँ देखिरहनु भएको छ टियु इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको ताजा दृश्य। ६३औं दिनमा ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट जडानको दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी जानकारीहरू दिनेछौँ। च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला,
कपिराइट लाग्छ
अहिले तपाईँ देखिरहनु भएको छ टियु इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको ताजा दृश्य। ६३औं दिनमा ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट जडानको दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी जानकारीहरू दिनेछौँ। च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला,
कपिराइट लाग्छ
अहिले तपाईँ देखिरहनु भएको छ टियु इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको ताजा दृश्य। ६३औं दिनमा ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट जडानको दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी जानकारीहरू दिनेछौँ। च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला,
कपिराइट लाग्छ
अहिले तपाईँ देखिरहनु भएको छ टियु इन्टरनेसनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियमको ताजा दृश्य। ६३औं दिनमा ठेक्का सम्झौता भई काराभित्र फ्लडलाइट दिनमा प्रवेश गरेको छ। आजको दिनमा के काम भएको छ, कसरी
today's class.
च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने
It's about construction of angle, coefficient, and how to bisect the angle. For that, I'm live. First of all, draw one line, okay? Let's start today's class. It's about construction of angle, coefficient, and how to bisect the angle. Suppose it's drawn here 5, I'm live now. Okay, 6 centimeter long, and you can hide here. Suppose this is draw one line, okay? Let's start today's class. This is about construction of angle, coefficient, and how to bisect them, okay? Suppose it's drawn here 5, I'm live now. 6 centimeter long, 6 centimeter you can mention, and you can hide here distance, okay? Suppose this is draw one line, okay? Let's start today's class. This is the 6 centimeter angle, okay? Coefficient, and how to bisect them, okay? Suppose it's drawn here 5, I'm live now. 6 centimeter long, 6 centimeter you can mention, and you can hide here distance, okay? Suppose this is draw one line, okay? Let's start today's class. This is the 6 centimeter angle, okay? Coefficient, and how to bisect them, okay? Suppose it's drawn here 5, I'm live now. 6 centimeter long, 6 centimeter you can mention, and you can hide here distance, okay? Suppose this is draw one line, okay? Let's start today's class. This is the 6 centimeter angle, okay? Coefficient, and how to bisect them, okay? Okay, this is drawn here. And after this angle is now construct one 6 cm you can mention here. You can write here with the suppose this is draw one line. Okay, let's start today's class. Protect the required one. Okay, this is the 6 cm line being fixed here at this point. Okay, Q. Okay, this is line must be straight. And after this angle is now construct this line 6 cm can mention here. You can write here like this. With the suppose this is we can now require look at one line. Okay, let's start in 20 today's class. Protect the required one. This is the 6 cm being fixed here at this point. Okay, Q. Okay, this is line must be straight. And after this angle is now construct this line 6 cm can mention here. You can write here like this. With the suppose this we can now require look at one line. Okay, let's start in 20 today's class. Protect the required one. This is the 6 cm being fixed here at this point. Okay, Q. Okay, this is line must be straight. And after this angle is now construct this line 6 cm can mention here. You can write here like this. With the suppose we can now okay, listen. Sound of look at the how is it?
বন্ধ হয়েছে সাউন্ড
Oh,
বন্ধ করেছে
no, it's okay. Look at we have to put this okay protector. This line, look at this center one. This must be here at Q, and it must be straight to this. And as we require, okay. If you want to draw 60 degree, you can draw. You can point out here like this, okay. 60 degree at 60, okay. Here downward 60, and then we can put this protector at the side, okay. Then now take the help of ruler, okay. Take the help of ruler like this, okay, and put it straight, right? Like this, we have to put it straight. Okay, then we can join this Q point with this with the point of 60. Okay, this one we joined it, and now we can measure here also. Let's look here straight. This is look 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, this is 60 degree. How to construct 60 degree? Okay, it is shown here by using the protector. Now I want to share with you the idea how to bisect this angle. Okay, this is the angle of 60 degree as we have just constructed. After that construction, now take the help of okay compass. Okay, compass put at this vertex point. Okay, this is the vertex point. We have to put the compass at this vertex right here, vertex. This is the vertex 1 point. Okay, this point Q is known as the vertex, right? And then now take appropriate arc, this distance from this to this, okay, this arc, tip of the pencil to tip of this one, okay, compass one, little one, this distance we have to take as we can, okay. It's better to take neither too much long, okay, nor too much small also, right? This should be taken appropriate one. I'm not taking too much long and too much short one, middle one, and then we have to cut here like this, okay, arc like this, okay, this arc like this called arc, okay. Now look children, now we cannot move this arc, right? And look here, this arc has got this line segment this line segment and this line segment at two different points. Here is one point, look here, and here is another point. Okay, from these 2 points, now put the compass at this point of the line segment, okay, and then look here. After keeping there, now chord arc, okay, this side, look here, like this chord, right? And then again pick up this compass and put here, okay, in this is the 0 degree one, right? And chord the arc here, like this, okay? If you chord the arc, this arc is cutting from this point and this point, okay? Right? This is the point of 0 degree and this is the point of 60 degree, right? Of this angle, it was 60 degree. Now you can put that compass at the side and now take the help of ruler, right? And then now we keep the ruler here at the vertex one state, right? And pull down this and this also like this, right? This state we have to keep it, okay? Keep them straight here like this, okay? Then we have to join that vertex, okay? This vertex point we have to join with this cutting one point, okay? Like this one, right? Draw like this, okay? This is the method, okay, to bisect the given angle. The given angle was 60, and now let's measure these two angles become half or not, okay? Let's check here, right? Put this state, okay? Clear this state, and look here, it is coming, yes, and it is coming, look here. This is 0, 10, 20, 30. Yes, it is 30, right? Little bit you have to keep this, okay? Little bit state up, right? And this also move, right? Okay, it is 30 degree, 30 degree. Before it was 60, now it is divided into two half, that is, this is 30 degree, right? This angle is 30 degree, and this angle also 30 degree, okay? Then from this what we found here, first of all constructing angle, then we are bisecting it, okay? Bisecting means we are dividing into two equal part. That means these two angles name we can keep. It was this, before it was angle PQR, PQR, then you can write here S, okay? And here the size of this angle, look, angle PQS, this angle name is angle PQ, right? S equals to 30 degree, right? And angle next one, what is this? SQR, okay? This angle name is angle SQR. This two angle, okay? These two angles size came 30 degree, 30 degree. That means these are equal half, okay? The 60 it was before. Now we divided it into two equal parts. They are 30 degree and 30 degree, right? Okay, like this we have to bisect the angle. Okay, children? This is the process how the given angle is bisected, right? This way we have to apply. Similarly, I want to show you one more example. Okay, I want to clear it and see here. first angle we can construct by using compass also, and if it is asked to construct the angle by using protractor, we can use the protractor first also. Okay, let's see here. Let's draw one angle here. Little bit down, draw this one. Okay, see here. I am drawing this one line. It is 5 centimeters long. Okay, then its name you can write here y z, right? It is 5 centimeter. We can mention here length also 5. Okay, its length is, now we can keep this left side, and its length is right here 5 centimeter. Okay, the length of yz is 5 centimeter. Now we can draw as it is asked. Okay, which angle you want to draw that with the help of protractor. Okay, and then we can, there may be asked sometime, draw the angle with the help of compass also, right? We can use the compass also for that construction. Look at student, now first of all I want to draw here 90 degrees. Look here, this straight 90 degree. I am pointing here, then I am keeping the protractor at the side, and now I am taking the help of ruler. अब ruler को सहयोग लिने यसलाई हैन, take the help of ruler like this. यो त 90 degree हो, right? यसो straight राख्ने रुलरलाई, अनि यसलाई जोइन गर्ने 90 degree point जुन छ नि हामी ड्रा गरेको, यो लाइनलाई यसरी जोइन गर्ने यहाँ. Okay, we have drawn one angle, okay, whose size is here 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. This is the symbol of 90 degree also. We have drawn x, y, z is 90 degree. Now question is that how to bisect the angle. Okay, this, as we know, 90 degree half. 90 degree half means what to do? 90 degree should be divided by 2. Okay, when you divide by 2, it will be 2 on the 2, then 2, 4 is 8, 1 left here, 1 goes here, 10, and 2, 5 is 10. It will be here now 45 degree, right? What we did in previous one, look here, bisection same we have to follow here. Now take, okay, compass and put compass at the point y, which is known as the vertex. Okay, y is the vertex of this angle. Okay, now I am taking appropriate arc, right? Appropriate arc, then I am cutting this, okay, like this, taking arc. I am cutting these two legs, okay, two sides of this angle, right, in two different points, here one and here another one. Okay, now when we bisect, then we have to cut from this point and this point with the same arc. Okay, put the compass here, right, and cut arc like this. Okay, here like this, cut arc, and now compass put here at 0 degree, this 0 degree, then cut this arc from 0 degree to this side. Okay, like this, cut, and wherever these two arcs are intersecting, intersecting means cutting, wherever these two arcs are cutting, now join that with the vertex y. Okay, right, join that intersecting point, okay, with the help of ruler, and keep this, okay, straight, and put like this. Okay, like this we have to join. Okay, and then these two angles will be here 45 degree, 45 degree. Okay, it is 45 degree or not, we can check. We have to check for the confirmation with the help of protector. Look, protector kept this 90 degree, stay 90. And now look here, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then it is look exactly 45 degree. This side is 45, this side is 45. And we have bisected this 90 degree angle. Okay, we bisected this 90 degree angle, which is divided into two parts. They are 45 degree and 45 degree. Okay, children, like this we have to bisect the angle. Okay, one angle which is given. That given angle, if it is asked to construct, hey, यो bisect गर्नुपर्ने जुन एङ्गल छ नि त्यो एङ्गललाई कहिलेकाहीँ प्रोटेक्टरले ड्र गर भन्छ होइन, कि त कम्पासले ड्र गर भनेर क्वेसनमा भनेको हुन्छ. ओके, प्रोटेक्टरले ड्र गर्यो भने चाहिँ फर्स्ट एङ्गललाई प्रोटेक्टरले ड्र गर्ने, त्यसलाई bisect गर्ने. समटाइम it may ask होइन, it may be asked that construct the angle with the help of compass also. We have to construct that angle with the help of compass. Okay, I hope now you understood how to bisect the angle. Okay, look, it was 90, now it is divided into two equal parts. They are 45 degree and 45 degree. I hope you understood the bisection of the given angle, okay, by using the compass, right? If there is any difficulty, you can share your difficulties, okay? Writing your difficulties in comment box. Now, here, now I'm going for the next topic that I have written there, okay? More about pie chart, okay? Suppose if there is given already the pie chart, okay? Suppose pie chart is given like this. This is, look here, I am drawing here one pie chart. I'm drawing here one pie chart, okay? This is the representation of data in a circle. That's the first of all. I'm drawing here one pie chart, and then I'm keeping this compass at the side, right? Look here. First, draw the radius. Okay, this is the one question, okay, which is pie chart given already, okay, and we have to study one radius. Draw here, okay, like this to join one radius, okay, and in question that is given already data, right? Data is given there. In this data, the question, okay, this is given popularity of the school subject one, and this I am showing here is the question, okay. See here, and here in this question, okay, this is the question. That's why I'm drawing this one imaginary one figure. Okay, here is given Look here. This one value is given there. Okay, 100 degree. Okay, this one is 100 degree value given there in this data, and next one is given there. This one is given there. Okay, here is given, and this is the question. Okay, that's why I'm showing here the imaginary angles. Okay, and this one is given there 45 degree, right? Right here, 45 degree. This angle, these all the angles I am showing are imaginary one. And then next angle is shown there 60 degree. Okay, next angle is 60 degree showing it. This angle value is given there 60 degree. This value is given there 60 degree. Okay, and next angle is given there 70 degree. Looks like this here. This value, okay, is given there 70 degree, right? This is 70 degree given, and final one, right? This final one angle is given there. This imaginary only. I am telling this is not the real angle. Okay, this angle is 85 degree. In one figure, it is shown like this. Okay, this is 85 degree. This is 100 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 60 degree, and this is 70 degree. Right? This angle little bit make hmm, this one like okay, like this. Now we can fill this color here, right? And here make here one color black. Okay, this one. This is a black color. This one, okay. You can make this design like this, okay. This is black color. And now let's take a next one. This light blue one. This blue color I'm using here. Okay. And then I'm using here this is red type one, okay. I'm using here this red one, this color, and then I'm using here now green, green type. Okay, this is green. This I'm using green ink, and here last one. See there, orange. Let's use here orange one type. Okay, this ink is orange one. Okay, I'm using different color in different one. Okay, angles here. Okay, children. Now see here. This this pie chart is drawn. Okay, on the basis of the survey. Okay, done among. Okay, 720 students, total students. Okay, in one classroom there were 720 students. Here given. Okay, total we have tried here. Total students, we can write here total students who had taken part in survey, total students right there. Right, a total students equals to given there total students is given there 720, right? Among these 720 students, this survey was done. This survey was done, okay? Among 720 students, and it is found that 100 degree. This students, okay? They like maths. I'm saying here they like math, okay? This was like maths, and this like English 45%. This one, okay? It is shown here. English. This one students like English, right? And this one is lights. This 60 degrees on that. This much student like the population subject, okay? Subject name is population here. Population. Population. This much student like population. And next one, this is 70 degrees for the science one, okay? 70, this is for the science, right? Right here, science. This is question. 7 degree science one, and this last one, 85 degree. Okay, it is this was like social study. This is social study. We have right here. Social study right here. Okay, social studies right here. Social studies. Okay, children. This much. Now, this is the data already shown in the question. Okay, and the question there is already given total students who had taken part in survey, that is 720, and we know this all the data is shown in this all the data is shown in pie chart, and this 100 degree is shown there, right? There is 100 degree 100 degrees showing the number of students who like maths. Okay. Now question is asking that from this pie chart only we can tell. Okay. Number one question is asking that. Okay. Which is the most popular subject? Here asking which is the most popular subject. Okay. And according to this question, look here, I'm writing a question also. Which is the most popular subject? Which is the most popular subject? Which is the most popular subject? Most popular subject. Which is the most popular subject means which subject is liked by more students? This question meaning, okay? Which is the most popular subject? If it is given, then what will you do? By looking this data, this pie chart, look here, in which there is more degree, that is maths, right? Then we have to write answer, okay? Math is the most popular subject. We have to write full answer right here. Maths right here is the most popular subject according to this data. Maths is the most popular subject. Write answer like this, okay? Most popular subject. Most popular subject right here. Maths is the most popular subject. Right like this. Okay. By looking the data on which one is the greatest angle, that is the most popular subject. And there may be asked there which is the least one also. Which one is the least popular subject? Which is the least one? Okay. Right like this. Which is the least popular subject? Which is the least popular subject? Which is the least popular subject? We can write popular subject. Popular subject. Which is the least popular subject? In this case, look children, we have to see which one is the smallest angle that is shown here. English. Among this all the degree, look, 45 degree is the least one. That means English. Here, right here. English is the least popular subject. English is the English is the right there least popular subject. English is the least popular subject right here. English is the least popular subject. Answer, okay? Right like this. English is the least popular subject. Right? Like this we have to write answer. And now look here children. And if it is asked how many, okay, number one, there is given total number of students 7 and 20. Then question is asking how many, okay, students like, how many students like is this one we can find out, okay, each one. If it is asked how many students like science, okay, suppose there is number 3. If it is asked to find the number how many students like, if there is given how many students like, how many students like, suppose there is given how many students like maths, okay, or population or English or science and the social study, okay, you can follow the same method. How many students like, suppose if there is asked, how many students like maths, okay, how many students like maths? If this is the question, and for this solution, what should we do? As we know, this 720 is total number of students, okay, यो 720 चाहिँ के हो जम्मा विद्यार्थी हो हैन जसको बिचमा के गरेको थियो सर्वे लिएको थियो हैन त्यही भएर के गर्ने टोटल डिग्री भनेको कति छ त्यसको टोटल डिग्री भनेको 360 डिग्री हो है 360 डिग्री भनेको टोटल डिग्री हो 360 डिग्रीले कतिजना स्टुडेन्ट रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ 720 स्टुडेन्टलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ यो टोटल नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट हो है 360 डिग्री भनेको 720 स्टुडेन्ट्स हो भन्ने थाहा पाउने टोटल स्टुडेन्ट इक्वल्स टु द्याट टोटल डिग्री ओके टोटल डिग्री जहिले पनि पाइ चार्टमा 360 डिग्री हुन्छ देन व्हाट टु डु अब यो 1 डिग्री भनेको कति हुन्छ युनिटरी मेथड हेर्ने ल 1 डिग्रीले कति गर्छ 720 लाई पक्कै के गर्छ डिभाइड गर्छ लेस हुन्छ 720 लाई केले भाग गर्ने 360 डिग्रीले ओके यसरी 360 डिग्री हैन यसले भाग गर्छ कति आयो 360 ले यसलाई भाग गर्दा कति हुन्छ इफ यु डिभाइड इट इट विल कम 2 1 डिग्रीले 2 स्टुडेन्ट रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ भने म्याथमा त कति डिग्री छ 100 डिग्री छ देयरफोर लेख्ने अब 100 डिग्रीले कति रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ 100 डिग्री भनेको चाहिँ कति भयो अब 2 into 100 भयो त्यो भनेको 200 स्टुडेन्ट भयो हैन म्याथ हैन लाइक गर्ने स्टुडेन्ट कति रहेछ 200 स्टुडेन्ट रहेछ भन्ने कुरा बुझियो हैन अब यसै गरी के हुन्छ वी क्यान डु अदर सब्जेक्ट अल्सो ओके इफ 60 degree asking then 60 degree means 2 into 60 means it will be 120 if 45 degree then 45 degree भनेको 2 into 45 भनेको 90 स्टुडेन्ट भनेको त्यस्तै 70 डिग्री भनेको कति हुन्छ अब 70 भनेको 2 into 70 भनेको 140 डिग्री 140 स्टुडेन्ट भनौँ न हैन 140 स्टुडेन्ट त्यस्तै 85 डिग्रीको कति हुन्छ 85 डिग्री इक्वल्स टु 2 into 85 गर्दा कति छ 170 स्टुडेन्ट हुन्छ हैन यसरी सबैको एजको फाइन्ड गर्न सकिन्छ कुन सब्जेक्टमा कति स्टुडेन्टले लाइक गरेको भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यसबाट युज गर्छ यो चाहिँ भेरी भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट पार्ट हो है टोटल स्टुडेन्ट सर्वेमा कति थियो सर्वेमा टोटल स्टुडेन्ट चाहिँ 720 थियो हैन त्यही भएर त्यो 720 भनेको नै कति हो 360 डिग्री हो 360 डिग्री रिप्रेजेन्ट 720 त्यो भएर 1 डिग्रीले कति हुनुभयो 2 into 360 डिग्री हुन्छ भन्ने त ओके यसरी किन के हुन्छ दिएको पाइ चार्टलाई हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं स्टडी गरेर त्यसमा सोधिएका क्वेशनहरूलाई गर्न सक्छौं ओके यसमा त डिग्रीमा दिएको थियो हैन अब कुनै कुनै बेलामा के हुन्छ भने यसमा दिएको भ्यालुजहरु के हुन सक्छ डिग्रीमा नभएर अरुमा पनि दिएको हुन सक्छ Okay. अब त्यसमा के हुन्छ भने जस्तै म एउटा क्वेसन देखाउँछु यहाँ होइन ल हेरौँ एउटा म अर्को एउटा क्वेसन देखाउँछु होइन त्यो क्वेसनमा एउटा डिस्कस गरौँ पाइ चार्ट सम्बन्धी नै हो जस्तै यसमा मैले निकालेँ नि हो है यो कुरा चाहिँ ध्यान दिनु यो 1 डिग्रीको चाहिँ 2 स्ट्रेन्ड हुन्छ भने 100 डिग्रीको चाहिँ 2 into 100 हुन्छ त्यसै गरी we can find other also होइन 45 डिग्रीको निकाल्नु भयो इङ्ग्लिस 45 into 2 हुने भयो 60 डिग्री भनेको 2 into 60 हुने भयो त्यस्तै साइन्सको निकाल्नु पर्यो भने 2 into 70 हुने भयो सोसल स्टडीको निकाल्नु पर्यो भने 2 into 85 हुने भयो त्यसै गरी नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट निकाल्न सक्छौँ ओके यो त डिग्रीमा दिएको बेला भयो होइन अब म यसलाई क्लियर गरेर अर्को एउटा पाइ चार्ट ड्र गर्छु होइन त्यो पाइ चार्टमा के दिएको छ भन्ने कुरा म त्यो पनि सो गर्छु ओके जस्तै हेरौँ एउटा पाइ चार्ट दिएको छ यसरी ओके ल यो एउटा पाइ चार्ट छ है यो पाइ चार्टमा एउटा क्वेसन हो यसमा मैले भ्यालुजहरू इमेजिनरी होइन एक्ज्याक्टली एङ्गल मेजर नगरिकन ओके जस्तै एउटा फर्स्टमा एउटा रेडियस लिएर बनाऊ है यसलाई यसरी मुभ गरौँ एउटा रेडियस लिउँ अनि यहाँनिर के छ भने एउटा यस्तो रेडियस ड्र गर्ने अब यसमा एउटा यहाँनिर अघि न त हाम्रो डिग्रीमा थियो अब यसलाई पर्सेन्टेजमा एक्सप्रेस गरेको हेर त यसमा चाहिँ 20% छ ओके यसमा 20% ओके यसमा के लेखेको छ 20% भनेर लेखेको छ है त पर्सेन्टेजमा यसलाई गरौँ 20% भनेर भनेको छ यसमा ओके यसमा 20% छ यो 20% भनेको चाहिँ डु नट लाइक चिप्स हो है त ओके okay sir here is given in one question this 20% is showing the data okay this one 20% right it is the number of customer who like salt and there is vinegar one okay this is salt and vinegar we have written salt and vinegar this is salt and vinegar okay the number of people this is okay who like salt and vinegar vinegar right that much people like salt and vinegar it is the data right and next one is given and there is given here's one right and there's a small number of data here Okay, here is so small here, and this is given their 5%. Okay, and this is given their 5 percentage, and this one is showing. Okay, this one is showing 5 percentage, right? This is 5 percentage. Okay, this 5 percentage is the data which is representing do not like chips one. This much person they do not like chips. Do not like chips right here. Okay, do not like chips right here. Do not like chips right here. Okay, do not like chips right here. This much people, and then next one is there. Okay, that is given 21 percentage, right? This is 21 percentage. This one is 21 percentage, and here is like this. Okay, this one is 21 percentage. It represents, this is representing 21 percentage, right? That is 21% the dark one, right? Suppose that is representing cheese. Okay, here is given cheese. What is cheese? Okay, cheese. And next one, see here, the question is given that next one 11 percentage. Okay, has 11 percentage given. Okay, this 11 percentage shows that, okay, that much like gravy. Okay, suppose there is gravy given. Okay, gravy, this much like gravy. And next one there is given 23 percentage. Look here, I'm making a 23 percentage. Okay, and that 23 percentage here. This 23 percentage, this 23 percentage is the number of students who like, that is given curry sauce. Okay, curry sauce, this is, this much people like curry sauce. Curry sauce. Okay, this much people like curry sauce, right? And this is now 4. Look here, like this we can make here, 4 percentage. Okay, we can make here another one, right? Make here 4 percentage. Okay, this is suppose here 4 percentage. This is 4 percentage like their mayonnaise. Okay, mayonnaise, 4 percentage like mayonnaise here, and A Y O N N A I S E N A I S E mayonnaise. Okay, here for a person like mayonnaise, and this rest of this that is given 16 one. Okay, this data is imaginary given here. I am drawing this figure also imaginary. This 16 percentage because some are showing big and some are showing small here. Just you look the values only. Okay, not their size. Values only you see here, and this 16% is given there using ketchup. Okay, suppose this much are using ketchup. They like to use ketchup. KTCH ketchup. Okay, ketchup like this. Okay, this is the ketchup on like. And suppose in this case, what to do? Look here. If there is given already, okay, this survey was done among total customer. Okay, if total customer is given already in the question, if total customer is given there, okay, total customer, right? CUS total customer CUSDO, okay, MERS MERS, okay. Total customers equals to there is given already. Suppose 200. Okay, in this case we can find out easily now. If total customer is given 200, it means we have to know that, okay, 360 degree represents total, right? Degree. That's why 360 degree equals to 200 customer. We have tried here because total degree is 360, total customer is 200 customer. Okay, right here 200 customers. Okay, then 1 degree represents how much customer? Okay, how many? 1 degree represents how many customer? That means 200. Okay, right? But here, as generally here, student do this similar mistake that is repeated here. Okay, look here, children. See here once. Okay, this one line was here. Mm, in place of this 360 degree. Okay, let me maintain this one first. Here, okay. This was 23, okay. And join it. And this was 4. Let me join here like this. Okay. Here one. Here, which I have written here 360 degree. Now we don't need to mention here 360 degree because this data is given in percentage. That's why in place of this 360 degree, we don't need to write this degree one, okay? Because the data is given here in percentage, right? That's why we need to write here 100 percentage, okay? No 360, okay? 100 percentage means 200 customer. Then we have to write here 1 percentage means how many? 200 by 100 we have to write. This 100 will come here to, this 100 will come here to divide, okay? Okay, generally we do have mistake like this, okay? 360 degree. But the data is given in percentage, that means we have to write here 100 percentage represents 200 customer. Then 1 percentage represent how many here? Look, 2 customer, okay? 2 customer. We have to write like this. 2 customers, okay? Here, okay? The data is given in percentage means please don't write here 360 degree. We need to write here 100 percentage. Okay, this total percentage is 100 percentage. That's why 100% equals to 100 student, 1% equals to 100 by 100. This unitary method. 1 percentage represent 2 customer. Now we can find out how many customer like gravy. Look here, for the gravy, gravy. Okay, you can easily find now. Gravy equals how much? Okay, that means one right here like this. Okay, 1 percentage represent, okay, 2 customer. Right, 1 percentage represent 2 customers. Okay, here this is down. I'm writing 1 percentage represent 2 customer. Then gravy one there is 11. Right here now 11 percentage means how many? 11 percentage means we have to multiply this 2 by 11, right? Then it will come here 22 customer. We have to write this like this. We have to solve. Okay, 11 percentage is the gravy one. The 11 means 11 into 2. That means 22 customer. That that means 22 customers like gravy. Okay, similarly we can find other also. If you want to find this, okay, curry sauce one, then 23 into 2. If you want to find this, okay, mayonnaise, okay, mayonnaise, then 4 into 2. Then if you want to find a ketchup, then 16 into 2. If you want to find the salt and vinegar, then 20 into, okay, 2. Similarly, do not like, okay, chips one, that means 2 into 5. Like this we can find out, okay, each item in that. Here is the main thing, okay, children. Here, this one, here total percentage is 100 percentage. That's why 100 percentage equals to 200 customer, because customer is given the 200. Like this we have to solve like this question. I hope you understood it. Okay, here we don't need to write degree because the data is given in percentage. That means we have to write 100 percentage. Okay, here in this data, the data is shown in the pie chart in percentage, and in this place we have to take care. Okay, 100 percentage equals to 200 students. Okay, because 100% is total percentage and total number of customers is given there 200. Okay, like this we have to solve. I hope you understood it. Now, Okay, if you have any confusion about pie chart and this, okay, construction of angle. Angle construction also I want to show you here how the angle is constructed by using, look here children. First of all, draw one line segment, okay? For the construction of angle, first of all, you need to draw one line segment, right? And we have to take the help of compass here, okay? First of all, let's draw one line segment, okay? Here, I am drawing one line segment whose length is 5 centimeter, okay? You can take appropriate one. And now put the compass here at this end and take here one, okay, arc, and draw one arc here like this, okay? Look, this is called the main arc, right? And this is the point for 0 degree. And if you put the, okay, compass at 0 degree, and and now we have to move this, okay, and cut like this, main arc cut like this, okay? Wherever it cuts, this cutting point is the point for the 60 degree, right? And now we need to put the ruler like this straight, okay? And this should be at 0, okay, so like this put, and put like this straight, right? And here like this straight, and join it, okay? Join this. This is the angle for 60 degree, okay? Like this we have to join, right? This is the angle. This is the method to draw 60 degree. And our angle has become here 60 degree, and right here angle 60 degree, and you can give the name here A, B, and C. This angle is 60 degree. Like this we construct the angle of 60 degree, right? And now look here, I want to show you here in this page only how to draw the angle of 120 degree, right? Right, look here again, look, I'm drawing here at the side only, okay? And now look here, um, draw here. Also look here, I'm drawing one line segment whose length is 5 centimeter, and I'm keeping here QR, name of this line segment QR, and its length was taken here 5 centimeter. You can mention this also, okay? Length also you can mention, okay? And now take one main arc and put it at Q and draw here. This is the main arc, okay? Like this cut, okay? It is cancelled till down, okay? And see here, you draw this upper part only, okay? Okay, like this, okay? Like this draw, okay? This, as I told you, this angle is 0 degree. Put the compass at 0 degree and cut this angle like this, okay? This arc cut, main arc, this is 60 degree. Now put the compass like this, okay? As I am putting here, look, this 60 to cut this side, this is the arc of 120 degree. This is the point for the 120 degree. Now put ruler like this, look here, and put this down, and it's up here, okay, like this. Put it down, and here, okay, like this. and join this line like this. Okay, this angle has come 120 degree. This is the method, right? Now right here this PQR. This angle has come PQR 120 degree. Like this, we have to construct this angle, okay, of 120 degree. I hope you understood it. Now put this at the side here, okay. Like this, we have to solve it. How to draw 60-degree angle with the help of compass and how to draw 120 degree with the help of compass. It is the method, okay, that I have shown here. Now look at children, I want to show you here how to construct 90 degree, okay. See here, I want to show you for 90 degree, okay. First of all, take one. This instrument is ruler, okay. Ruler. Now put this ruler like this, okay, and draw here one horizontal line, right? This is I'm drawing a 5 centimeter, and now you can keep at the side here. Now take the help of compass and put here, and now I'm drawing here one main arc. Okay, this is the main arc. Like this, I'm cutting here, and now I'm keeping the compass at 0 degree, right? From 0 degree, I'm cutting this main arc, right? This is 60 degree. Now pick up this compass and put at 60 degree and cut this side. This is 120 degree, and now from 120 degree cut, okay, like this, from 120 degree cut this side, okay, main arc, and now from 60 to also up this one we can move, okay, this one from 60 to up, we cut from 60 to up and 120 to up, wherever they cut each other here, no, this point, okay, this point is the point of 90 degree, right? Put down like this, okay. Look here like this, put straight ruler down also straight and make this also straight up, right? And okay, move like this, okay, and here also, mm, like this, put ruler, okay, put ruler like this and join this now straight down, okay, okay, this is little bit, okay, like this. Now join these lines, okay, like this straight down, right? This is the angle for 90 degree, okay. This is the process also. We have got this 90 degree angle from 60 and 120 off. This is this 90 degree, right? These are the ways to construct 90 degree angle, okay? This is the process. I hope you understood how to construct 90 degree angle by using compass. Okay, if any problem regarding the this class, okay, you can ask me in chat box. Okay, we'll again meet tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.